umaga.
That news was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Nagmamadali kasi itong kliyente natin. Baka pwede mo namang gawa ng paraan. Siya na daw ang bahala sa'yo.
Mahirap yan, sir. Ayoko rin ma-involve sa mga ganyang kalakaran.
Ganyan ang Pinoy. Ang Pilipino, hindi korap. Isang paalala mula sa MX3, naniniwalang mabuti ang Pinoy.
Maulan man, no worries na amoy kulob ang damit.
Charm Fabcon, bangong kumakabloom, tanggal amoy kulob sa bango ng Charm.
Charm Fabcon with Bloom Fresh technology kills 99.9% of kulob-causing bacteria tested. May aroma burst pa of thousands of flowers and berries.
Ang sampay sa loob, no amoy kulob.
Bangong kumakabloom sa Charm.
Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Wow! Per months na! Ang bilis ng panahon. Parang lahat rush. Oh, don't stress. Ang sagot dyan, balanse sa buhay. Parang paglaro ng Bingo Plus. When gaming, dapat balanse din. Hindi to dapat makaapekto o pumalit sa oras para sa pamilya, kaibigan o trabaho. When you game responsibly, tuloy lang ang saya.
Visit www.pagcor.ph/regulatory. Keep it fun at pagcor.ph. Responsible gaming at pagcor.ph. Gambling is for 21 years old and above only.
Gambling can be addictive. Know when to stop.
Si Mommy at si Washing Machine believe sa Pride Washing Machine Detergent.
Hello, Washi!
Hello, Mommy!
Laundry day na naman. Ready ka na sa mancha, chocolate, putik, libag?
Kaya yan ang Pride Washing Machine Detergent. May triple stain-away formula. Tanggal ang makapit, madikit, at malupit na dumit mancha. Easy ang labada.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon.
All you need is pride. All you need is pride.
Pride Detergent, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
DCXL 558.